Do you want to train and improve your skills like this but you don't have the Steam version of Rocket League? You found the perfect video.
Nice.
Hit like and subscribe before starting. Let's begin. First, go to the first link in the description to install Baxmod. Don't forget to smash the like button. Then, click download. After installing the file, open it to extract the setup app. Make sure to extract it to the desktop, so that you can find the app. Open the setup app, then click Yes to run it as administrator. Click Next, Next, and Install. Then click Finish. After installing the app, open it, and click Yes again. Update Baxmod. Then, here you are. You've finished the first step. You're ready to run Rocket League. In the game, press F2 to open Baxmod menu. Next, go back to the second link in the description and open it. To download the Workshop plugin. After downloading it, go back to the game and click Plugins on the Baxmod menu. Search for the Workshop Map Loader plugin on the left side. Click on it. Then click Open the plugin menu. Then, click Search Workshop and search for the map that you want to play. For this video I'm searching for the AIM training map. Click Download Map, choose the version, and wait for it to download. When it's downloaded, go back to Map Loader, then click Refresh Maps. Choose the map you downloaded. Click Solo. Congratulations, you're in the map. Don't forget the like button if you liked the video and subscribe button to see more videos from me. Goodbye.